guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. If you're new here, what is that? In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I'm doing the Barbie hair and makeup that I am doing for Halloween because I am being Barbie. I did another video showing how I DIY'd my costume and I linked everything that I'm wearing down below in that video. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to go check that out after this video. But this is how my hair and makeup turned out. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below, and let's just get on right into the makeup. I already moisturized my face, so I'm going to jump right into the makeup. But first, I'm just going to put my hair back the way that I'm going to have it, just so it's out of my face, but I'm not going to curl it until after the makeup. Like a crackhead. That's what it's gonna look like for now. I'm gonna curl it later and it's gonna look way better, but let's get into the makeup. For foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Next, for concealer, I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, and I'm going to just conceal my under eyes, my chin, and around my nose a bit. And I'm also going to bring that onto my eyelids for an eyeshadow primer type thing. I just want my eyelids to not be so veiny and discolored, you know? On a flat base. And now I'm just gonna cream contour. I just like to put this as a base for my bronzer and stuff, just because it makes it last longer throughout the night. You know how if you're wearing it for too long, it'll just start to look like your face is flat, and it'll look like you didn't even put any on. This kind of makes it not do that. It makes it so it stays bronzy. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. You get it. Next, I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder and baking under my eyes and everything. And I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face. Now I'm just going to be bronzing with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm also going to contour a bit with my Anastasia contour palette. I'm just going to do my cheekbones and my jaw. I'm also going to take that under my lip, just so I have a pouty lip. And blend everything, because we don't want to look crazy. Now I'm going to be putting on some blush, and it's obviously just a pink blush from BH Cosmetics. Lastly, for the face is a highlight. I'm going to be taking my Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette that doesn't exist anymore, so just use whatever highlighter that you have. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my forehead, all my eyebrows, also on my nose. Now I'm going to move on to doing my eyes. I'm going to go for a pink look today. Nothing insane, still wearable, but pink. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is just this orange, this burnt orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just as a transition shade, just so we can get started. I just like to blend in between each shadow that I put on. It just makes it easier at the end. The next shade I'm taking is this pink. It's called Magical Magenta. I believe it's from Morphe or Makeup Geek, something like that. But I'm dipping into that, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. And then again, I'm just going to blend that with a clean brush. Next, I'm going to be taking called Glamorous, and this is from either Makeup Geek or Morphe as well. And it's just a pink shimmer, and I'm going to put that on my lid with my finger. And then again, I'm going to be taking the burnt orange on my lower lash line. And you could like leave it like this if you don't want to do anything crazy on your lower lash line, but personally I'm going to be adding some pink, just a tiny, like the tiniest bit. I'm also going to be taking just like a cream shade and highlighting my brow bone. And then I'm going to be taking this glitter from Stila. It's in the shade Diamond Dust. It's the silver one. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and I'm using my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Taupe. Okay, now is when I would be putting on like lashes and stuff, but I don't feel like putting on lashes today because I'm not actually wearing this look out today. I'm just doing this to show you what I'm going to be doing on Halloween when I go out. So I'm just going to put on some mascara, but now is when you want to put on lashes because you're Barbie. You want to be glam. To use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. And my mascara is on, but again, I would add lashes if I was really going out today. But now I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm just going to line my lips with like this pink lip liner. And then I'm going to use my MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. And you could leave it like this, but I'm going to add a gloss, and I'm using this one. I've never used it before. It's from a Revlon. And it looks like iridescent, but it's like clear. It has like purple and blue like reflex in it. So I'm gonna test that out. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. That's sick. It matches our eye look actually like perfectly. Wow, I love that. This is in the shade 304 Frost Queen from Revlon. And now just set your face, and then we're gonna move on to hair. So today I'm using the Duval Trinity curling iron wand, and this wand comes with 3 different sized heads that you can like replace. It says lock, unlock, so you can like just take them off and put on a new one. Today I'm using the medium sized one, so the one in the middle, and we're just gonna curl our hair. And if you want to use my link to go buy this or anything else on Duval's website, then use the link in the description down below. I'm gonna start off by curling these pieces. This one is my favorite size head to use because the small one is like for really tight curls, but if you brush the small ones out, it looks really good. But this one is more of like a curl that I like for like my face shape and stuff like that. And the big one, I also love that one too, but my hair is so heavy because it's so long that it doesn't really hold curls that well. So for bigger curling wands, it like falls out super easily. So I just try to use tighter wands, and then I will brush it out at the end, and it'll have the same sort of effect, but it'll stay longer. That's what it's going to look like. We're going to brush it out after with our fingers. I just want to let it cool down so they don't fall out. And that is how I did my hair. And again, if you want to check out this curling iron, I'll have it linked down below. This is how I did my hair and my makeup. Again, I would put on some lashes, and I'm also just going to throw some hairspray in my hair. But that is the look that I'm going to be wearing as Barbie along with my costume. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I did a video on how I DIY'd my Barbie costume for Halloween, so make sure you go watch that after this if you haven't already. And if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!